How to fix TikTok error unable to authorize on iPhone. So if you want to fix TikTok error unable to authorize on your iPhone problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on apps. And here you need to scroll down again and you will find TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Scroll down again and make sure that the live activities is turned on. If it is turned off, you need to go and turn it on. And then you need to turn on background app refresh as well. Or you can try to turn it off for a few seconds and then again turn it on, which will refresh. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your app store. From the app store, you need to go with search and search for TikTok. After searching for your TikTok, if you have any updates on your TikTok, then it might cause you some problem which is unable to authorize. So you need to go with update and update your TikTok application. And after updating, the problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your settings. And under settings, you need to scroll down, go with general. And from general, you need to go with iPhone storage. Scroll down a bit and then go with TikTok. Tap on offload app and then again reinstall it. After reinstalling, try to log in and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.